You chose
And
this one.
anyone could take this option, just pay $300. We want to have the music composition from Zach Paris. It would be nice. And also some of the stretch goals for the consoles. Good thing, I think we leave it for today. It's already very late in our local time. So thank you very much for watching, and we see us next Tuesday. Miguel is going to do some stage. I'm not sure which one is he going to do, but it will for sure be very exciting. So if I were you, I would totally be there at 11 Europe time next Tuesday. We will do an update anyways. Thank you for watching.
Thank you. See you later.
Thank you, Juan. You are the best.
Thank you very much. See you.